Welcome back to Wickerson Studios. This is my second script that I have created from scratch with subdivisions. I don't know why I didn't get started on this in January. I kind of regret it, but as you can see here, pretty powerful stuff. Couple of renders. Um, this this is so infinite as a bowl. A little bit of bronze brought into a gold into a clear glass. If I could start designing stuff like this and figuring out how to actually create it, which I think I have some skill sets to do, I'd be pretty happy. Just totally amazed with what is possible here, um, and just loving it. So the ray trace really comes through with the glass, but even then, just the render and the turntable is fun enough to play with. Oh, everything's fun enough to look at this whole form. Let me see along the. Oh, that's artistic. Let me go down to Arctic. Yeah, it is just like a beast of an item. And if you consider what's actually being built here, if you go into this and have a look at how beautiful it is, the subdivision. I'm not going to go into the details. I think I'm onto something key. Very excited about it. If we take a ghosted image, you can see how that has just come together so beautiful. Nothing too fancy. I don't have a base on it closing it up, but as an object, glass and bronze, that's very interesting to me. So I'm just going to jump over here and go into render and have a little fun with that one and think about how I would produce that and what I would do with it. I think I'll send it back to ray trace because I just have kind of fallen in love with that a little bit. So yeah, there you go. What a little gaudy, but still I like it. What it is using my C notes that I've spent so much time creating, and with them, GH Python nodes, but also C nodes coming out of just data constructing trees. If you start to push this data and then you start to network that with the multi-pipe tool that's coming out of the subdivisions, you're gonna have a closed subdivision with 20,000 faces pretty quickly, and it's on pretty basic stuff. And I don't know what to say, except I'm dreadfully excited. And if I can script together, 12 node scripts and generate geometries like this, I think I've got some pretty interesting coursework to teach some people. So thanks very much for watching. Michael Wickerson at Wickerson Studios, hooked on, addicted to subdivisions. All right, and C#.